on, man. Try it on. Pham Legend, man.
Yeah, Pham Legend.
Yeah.
Oh, check it out.
Yeah, check it out. Pham Motorsport.
Woo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Yeah, veloster, man. Hyundai veloster. Yes, fit you. You can turn around. It's Pham Legend, man. Yeah, nice. Hi guys, welcome back to Pham Legend channel. Car dealership and performance shop is Pham Motorsport. And today I'm gonna show you 2014, not 15. It's Hyundai or Hyundai Veloster Turbo R-Spec, guys. It's the top. So it's in here right now, and we have to figure out why it's not running. And maybe the clutch slave cylinder got leaking. And now get into it, shall we? Your car here, guys. Hyundai Veloster, and this extra runner to go home. Yeah, guys. Woo! You like the color? I love the color, man. Very, very nice color. Woo! Woo, guys. Yep, that's here for us to. I think we gonna do the master, the clutch, slave cylinder. Yeah, man, I like all the blue color here. Very, 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 very nice. Yeah, like it. Yeah, let me start up. See what happened. Oh yeah, the clutch is went all the way in. Went all the way in. Look at that. Look at this clutch. Woo! Now push it in, guys. Woo! R-Spec. Yup. Now we check it up and see. Okay. The car is all raised up, and I go underneath that and check what's leaking. Right here you see a lot of fluid come out here. It look like the slave cylinder and the bleed hose pop out. Yeah, and we have to put it back and bleed it again. And the owner want me to put in this oxygen sensor too. Why is on there? So right here, we're gonna put it on. It look like we have to change the O-ring on it, and probably there's a bracket that hold it. It's a little slide pin that we have to slide it in, and bleed the clutch. They bleed luôn á. Yeah. You have to take this down and to change the CO2 sensor on that one, guys. White band is a set band 1 sensor 1, right? That one right there. White band. Yeah, guys, the part arriving here. The clutch is a clutch line. Yeah, with the bleeder in it, so we have to bleed the clutch again. Out and replace underneath there. There's the old one, take it out. Time to put a new one in, guys. Down there. Everything installed. Now to bleed it. Bleed it, guys. Have to bleed it, guy. Woo! Use this right here. It's all I bleed. So I just press a little bit. That's it. Done. Good to go, guys. Okay, guys. So now I have to test drive it. Everything put in. The clutch line put in and bleed everything. So now time to test drive and let the owner know, man. This is a 6-speed. Start it up, guy. Yeah. Check engine light were off because we replaced the wide band on it, and we cleared it too. So this guy is shorter than me, so the seat is way back more. Okay, let's drive it, guys. Let me back it out first. Let's see. Woo! Very nice. That's cold start. You can see it, the smoke right there. Cold start, guys. Okay, let's back it out. See, the clutch feels really good. Yeah. Woo. It's good. This car is decent, guys. Let me shift it second gear. Yeah. The sun very clear. I don't think you can see it. Clutch feel good. Everything good. It's ready for the owner. Yeah. Third gear, guys. Third gear ready. Woo. Straight road. I don't know how many horsepower, but this is it's okay. It's not that really fast, but it's okay. Yep. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice ride. I go probably 50, 60. It's okay. I don't want to beat on a customer car, you know. Just test drive it. That's good enough for me. So time to get back home. And back to the shop and call them up. So this come in for the clutch line because it leaked, and then we put a wide band on. So that's good enough. So we do everything here, guys. We mechanic, tuner, everything, fabricate, welding, car sales, you know, anything you can name off. But we used to do body work and paint. But sometime right now we just paint a little bit, not that much, because I have a health issue. I cannot paint too much. Okay. Yeah. Guys, just go a little bit. Let's see. Woo! See how fast it is? 8 miles. Yeah, this is our road right here. Woo! Open up a little bit. That's good. That's good. Hey, still on the road, guys. Time to go back to Pham Motorsport. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Woo. Pham Motorsport, guys. That's our shop right there. Right here is 2014 Huyndai Veloster. Very nice one. Blue color, very sexy, guys. And they only have 89,000 miles. Inside very clean. That the owner just left me here for us to fix it and check it out. Very nice color. Let me walk around. Woo! Veloster R-Spec. R-Spec, guys. It's not a regular one. Turbo. You can see it's a GDI turbo right here, 4-cylinder. Yeah. Woo! So what you guys think about this car? Is it worth it? Is like turbo? Is it worth for you to drive this and for you to race? I don't know what kind of tune this is, a factory tune, but you know, it's turbo GDIs. As long as turbo is good, right? Check out the turbo. Where's the turbo? The turbo, and where's the turbo located? It's all the way probably down in there. Down in there, guys. Yeah. So if you have some money, will you buy this kind of car? It looked great to me. Hyundai make a lot of nice car now. Yeah. I don't know what this front rear splitter or lip is. I believe this one the owner add on is 3-piece universal splitter. What you guys think? Yeah, probably 3-piece. All you have to cut it and modify it. I don't think it's nice. Man, it look good. It look good. You know, probably he painted the factory rim or the rim like that. This is the paint. Yeah, this is paint. So this rim I think is silver, but he painted black. Yeah, I love the interior, man. I love this color. This color very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. Veloster, guys. All spec right here. With a twin exhaust. Woo!
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah. Yeah, I just video your car too. You like it? On the potential, man. Eclipse. Woo! Yeah. CGI, baby. He said he just know how to drive manual, so I don't have to go with him. And it's okay. The car's ready for him to do some hit on it. The turbo. It's not that fast, but it's okay. It's decent. It's Huyndai, guy. Veloster. Yeah. Woo! The exhaust is quiet now, but later we're gonna put a cap back in it so it'll be louder. Okay? Alright, so see you next time, man. Alright. I spec guy, Huyndai Veloster Turbo. Yeah. And see you in the next video. Woo! Veloster, baby. More about my shop, man. It's all classic in here. Woo! Nice chrome. All 33, guys. Yeah. EK, drag look, and turbo K20. Woo! Yeah, both NSX over here.